Top 5 fitness mistakes beginners make in 2025. Avoid these. It's 2025 and you're ready to crush your fitness goals. But before you hit the ground running, let's make sure you're not making these common mistakes that can actually set you back. Stick with me and I'll help you start your fitness journey the right way. Let's go. Mistake number 1, unrealistic goals. Starting with big goals is exciting, but setting unrealistic ones can actually leave you frustrated and even burnt out. Aim for smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, losing 1 to 2 pounds a week or exercising 3 times a week. That's a great start. Mistake number 2, comparing yourself to other people. Remember, you're only in competition with yourself. Look in the mirror, that's your competition. Social media can be inspiring, but it can also be toxic. This is your journey and your journey alone. Even small improvements add up to huge improvements. Mistake number 3, skipping or not having a rest day at all. If you don't recover, you're actually going to be further from your fitness goals. Mistake number 4, ignoring nutrition. Fitness isn't just about what happens in the gym, it's also about what's on your plate. Focus on whole nutrient-dense foods and don't overcomplicate things. Nutrition, after all, fuels your progress. So what's the biggest mistake? Thinking that just because you don't have overnight results that you have to quit, that you have to give up. It's not true at all. Stick with it. It's progress over perfection. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Those are the 5 tips to start the new year right for your fitness journey and your fitness goals for 2025. If you liked today's video, smash that like button. Also, make sure to subscribe for more fitness content and tap that notification bell so that way you get notified when I post another video. Leave down below in the comments any fitness goals that you have for 2025. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.